Well, this is kind of strange because this is the job where I did the evaporator coil, and we get downstairs, water on the floor. It's telling me it froze up, and I'm like, oh, and I know I pulled a good vacuum on this thing, and it looks like something broke loose down here. Here's my welds, but down here it's all oily. So something somewhere broke loose. Just hope it's not the valve itself. Let's see. I already had my leak detector on it, and it was going off. Right there. Something I didn't even touch. What the hell? I was kind of monkeying with it, but now we gotta pump it down, raise the line, no, it wasn't me. Just gonna do a quick and dirty repair on this thing. Turbo torch. Gauge on it. Put a gauge on it. sucked out all the refrigerant. So all I'm gonna do is get my turbocharger on it. Let me go get a rag, and I gotta wet a rag and get that. Gotta get that Schrader out of there. All right, I got the Schrader out of it, and I got it wrapped. I think that should do it. Just a quick and dirty repair. Don't know how that happened. Looks like crap. I can touch the valve, so still had refrigerant in there because the flame was changing color. So I am not going to pull vacuum. Just gonna my sump pump. I'm just gonna open the liquid line up. blow a little out the suction line. Probably should have leak tested it before I opened the suction line up like a dummy. But we'll live. No bubbles. And we're good. So let me start this thing up. Get the caps back on, get the gauges on it. I have to charge her up again. Hopefully coil's not frozen. Had some water downstairs. I will check that right now. And I will be back. Alright, so she's pretty frozen downstairs. Coil's all iced up. So we got the heat on right now. Thawing it out. Shouldn't take but 15 minutes or so. And my phone will never stop ringing. We are low. Some charge in there. Subcooling required is 10. Geez, we leaked everything out. Everything. Alright, let me get it charged up. Well, that sucked because I just did the repair on that. I just put a new evaporator coil on that furnace, and all my braze joints were fine, but I don't know what happened. The braze joint, see, I had taken out a dryer right there, so I put a piece in about that long. Those braze joints were fine, but the one underneath, I don't know, maybe I pulled a vacuum on it and I had that thing down to, I know I had it down to under 500 microns and it stayed. So me jacking around with it, when it was all said and done, maybe that's how it happened. Not sure. Maybe he nudged it or went out, I don't know, tried to adjust it on the pad. I don't know what happened. But we got it fixed. It was a quick and dirty fix. All I did was pump it down. It still had refrigerant in the lines. You could see it in the flame. So doing a vacuum pump, I've done repairs like that for years and years and years, and don't tell me that it's gonna cause the system to self-destruct, because it won't. It's just, it won't happen, you know. I usually just, to make sure, get most of the air out of the system, I make sure just open up that liquid line, blow it through the suction line. Just give it a little purge. That's how we used to do it back in the day. Vacuum pumps weren't used very much back when I first started. It was just purge it out, get it done. So you can do it, get away with it, as long as you don't have the system open for quite some time. You can get away with it. So we are off to the next one, and on this one, everything charged up, pressures were good, no fluctuation, so we're good. You guys know what you need to do. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.